Yes, hello, good afternoon once more. Depending on the geographical location you are, this is Ebohom Bartolomeo. Yeah, I told you on my consequent video that I'll be producing my videos weekly or monthly, depends on how God directs. But like today, we'll be talking in a very sensitive topic known as the role of a father. Yes, the role of a father and who is a father. A lot of people have a different perspective about who a father is. A lot of scholars have a different view about a father. Some see a father as the male figure in the house. Some see a father as the individual or the male or that man in the house or that person in the house. So different scholar has a different view about who a father is. But for me, my view about a father is quite different from the perspective that they see a father. Like for me, I'm seeing a father from my own perspective in the sense that a father is the map of the house, is the mirror of the house, is the direction of the house, in the sense that the father personality has a reflective characters, have some reflective element in his household and followers. Who are the followers? His offspring. Now, we have father's qualities could be looked at in two ways. We have a positive father element and we have a negative father element. I decided to put it in these two phrases so that I will be able to break it down critically for you to be able to tap into it and get the consent of the primary objective of this topic. Now, the positive element of a father. When I say the father is an element or it is personal character as a reflection in the home. One, a father that is God-fearing, a father that respects the value of God. The children will definitely respect the value of God. A father that his hands is on decks, that is career-driven, that is focused in making life meaningful in terms of positively, the children will tend to walk towards that pathway. A father that is socially, physically, spiritually balanced and respect in terms of behaving fearfully and well conducted in society, and his attitude, his children definitely will take that. But a father that lacks this element, that attempt to be the negative attitude of a father, the children will tend to copy the negative attitude of a father, which makes the father element in the house, which makes the father being a map in the family, that the father in the family is very, very unique. But today, most society are fighting this. And when they are fighting is based on the negative attitude of families, or based on the negative attitude of families, based on the negative attitude of a father, which incubate into a negative attitude of the family. Because what you put in is what you take. What you put in is what you get. Because if a father is not positive in his attitude, indirectly his home can never be positive. His attribute can never, his offspring and attribute cannot be positive. So his environment will not be positive. But if he's positive in his thinking, his social conduct, his attitude, his life quest, his educational quest, his career quest, or his skill quest, or putting he has a strong personal quality in his family, the children will reflect to that. Today is a big problem in the Western world. Today is a big problem in this world, whereby most homes today are rotten because of the absence of father, or because some fathers are there, but they are not reflecting this positive attitude. Indirectly, their offspring are not reflecting the characters in the society that is expected to be. And today is a problem in society. Most of them are in prison. Most of them are into crime. Most of them are doing things that are not expected to be done. Because why? The structures and the foundation is not well structured. That is why it is good as a father that is watching me today. It is good as a mother that is watching me today, that before you choose to be a father, you should try to have some positive elements. You should have to have some positive attributes. You should have some positive characters. You should have some personalities that will reflect positive in your home. Because it's not you just bringing children into this world and you are not there. It's not you just bringing children into this world and you don't care for them. It's not you bringing children into this world and your positive effect is not being felt. Because what will happen? The children will not grow up the way it's expected to be. And if you look at what the Bible said you are the head. You are the head to take care of your home, to manage your home, to forefront your home, to be a mirror of your home, that people look and they see. They look at you and they see the glory. They look at you and they see the direction. But now, if I will ask you a question, why are you not functioning this way? That is why we should be very careful before we go into any relationship or before we get married or do anything that we have to do with anybody. First of all, we have to look at the basic. What are the basics? The foundation of that person. Who is he? Who is the father? What attribute does it made up of? What word comes out of his mouth? What type of friends does he keep? Who is he? What is his quest about life? You must look at that. Because you cannot just say, oh, you are a father, you are at home, you're not doing anything. You are a father, you are not managing your time effectively the way you have to manage it. You have no skill, you have no career, you have nothing to do, but you are home, you are a father. What do you want your children to be? As a father, you should be responsible. You should be more responsible because the children are looking unto you. You must exhibit a character that is positive for your children and for your society and for your neighbors to look at. Because why? You are a father of nation. You are a father of your home. You are a father in your society. You are a father of your community. Please, you should look at things different. Because otherwise it will have a strong significant impact on the children upbringing. It will have a strong significant impact on the society, putting burden on the society. Because if you produce tax, they will definitely go to prison. If you produce children that are not useful, they will definitely be incarcerated. And when they're incarcerated, you're putting burden in society and you're putting burden in things that are not expected to be done. Yes, most fathers will say, oh, I would have been a good father. I never have the opportunity to do that, or I was not given